Okay, Carlo Wine here. I'm going to show you a little bit of nitrous wiring. This is for basically for the owner, just to show what's been going on, and I still have to label the wiring. All right, so what we have is ground switch, arms everything, but there's numerous things that have to come on. With ground switched, okay, let's go in here. With the arming switch, this just provides a ground. Okay, I'm going to, that supplies this solenoid a ground and turns on the fuel pump. That's always going to the nitrous fuel right here. All right, well now the solenoids won't come on until the throttle switch is activated. So that same ground is here, and it splits off that same ground, and it goes to the arming switch. Okay, so the PCM also needs to retard timing. So nitrous switch, when it's wide open, it gives a ground. PCM takes away timing. And also at the throttle switch, this provides the ground when it's micro switch, which arms the solenoids. That trigger, that ground trigger is here. This is for the solenoids, all the solenoids. All right, so I haven't run the car yet. I'm just running the fuel here. So armed, fuel pump on, always. Go wide open throttle. Hear how it drains the battery? Anyway, don't want to run that pump. And turn it off. That's what we have. Ground, arms, everything. Carlo Wine, L Wine Engines, take care.